What's up guys, your boy Big A here. So I'm here at a Target. I was hoping that these specs would be full by now, but that's not the case unfortunately. Same old same on these 9-packs. Looks like they have a deal going on. You buy the new Hot Wheels Unleashed video game and you get a free Hot Wheels 5-pack. That's probably why these specs are full of 5-packs right now. And of course all the good premiums are gone. So nothing there. Flying Customs, Mario Kart. Here they have some of the pop culture ones. Robin, SpongeBob. They have one color shifter. And they have a ton of these Hot Wheels RC Cybertrucks. They have these cool glow-in-the-dark monster trucks. You have this one right here. This one has been here for a while. The Bigfoot set, not bad. This one's pretty new. I haven't seen this one before. It's a combination of monster trucks and cars. They both glow in the dark, so that's pretty cool. And let's see. Here we have some large-scale monster trucks, some Mario Kart sets. They have this cool Hot Wheels Flying Custom sets. Not bad. This is a new one. I haven't seen this one before. Really cool. Mario Kart. Here we have some Monster Jam. They have this cool Monster Jam set here. This one comes with a monster mutt. Pretty cool. Large scale monster trucks from Monster Jam. Monster Jam Dirt Squad. Monster Jam 2-packs. Micro Machines. This is new. I haven't seen this before. This is the Micro Machines Micro Gas and Dash set. Pretty cool. Here we have this storage case for your Micro Machines. Pretty cool. So you open it up and it becomes a player area. Pretty cool. You have these cool Matchbox action driver sets. And they have a bunch of bed warmers of these Matchbox. And check this out guys, looks like they put out some new Johnny Lightning stuff. Check out this really cool 1960 Ford Country Square. Very cool. Nice. The 2010 Dodge Challenger RT in pink. Definitely gonna take this one. Here we have a color variation of the Studebaker in blue. And here we have a color variation of the 2010 Dodge Challenger RT. Definitely gonna pick that one up. And here's a color variation of the 1960 Ford Country Square. Check this out guys. This one's more like a lime green. And this one's more like a dark green. Pretty cool. And here's the other Studebaker in a violet color. And another Ford Country Square, and Studebaker. 2014 Jeep Wrangler, 1973 Ford Bronco, 2020 Jeep Gladiator, the 2020 Nissan Titan Pro 4x4, another one. Here's a 1941 Ford pickup, 1980 Chevy Blazer, another 1973 Ford Bronco, and there's another Jeep Wrangler back there. Over here, we have some Fast and Furious stuff. I already picked this one up. This is Sean's Ford Mustang. This one is really clean. This one I had to pick up. And here's Dom's Dodge Charger RT. Not bad. There's Bumblebee, Transformers. This is the Lycan Hypersport from the Marvel Avengers. There's another one over there. And here we have some G.I. Joe and Batman stuff from Jada Toys. Another 2020 Jeep Gladiator. Shaw's McLaren 7205, pretty cool. And Brian's Nissan GTR R35. This one I already picked up. Very cool casting. So what we have down here is some larger scale diecast. Here we have this cool Honda NSX Type R with the Power Rangers theme. And here we have some Fast and Furious. These are larger scale. This one's pretty cool. The Mazda RX-7, and we have the Toyota Supra. And here we have the Scooby-Doo with Scooby-Doo and Shaggy. Let's see. And check these out, guys. These are pretty cool. This is Letty's Rally Fighter. Not bad. And here we have this pretty cool Matchbox garage set, or whatever it is. Pretty cool. Monster Jam set. And this one's new. I haven't seen this one around. Just to recap, this is what I'm taking. I'm gonna take this bad boy right here. And I'm gonna take this bad boy right here. All right, guys, I'm gonna head on to another store. I'll catch you guys in a bit. Peace. What's up, guys? So I'm here at a Kroger, and as you can see, it looks like they put out a little bit of everything here. So I'm gonna look through them really quick. Let's start over here. I'm gonna go as fast as I can, guys, because I don't want more people coming in and beating me through stuff. So and that happens, of course. So sorry if I don't show everything, guys, but like I said, I need to be quick. Here's a cool bone shaker. Definitely gonna pick that one up. Looks like the holiday cars are coming in. Check this one out. Carbonator. Take that one. It seems to be the same one each and every single year. Carbonator. Let's see what they have over here. Don't care for this one. Pick up the sign a little bit. Let's see. These are from the Halloween cars. I already have those. Shift these around a little bit. Let's see what we find. Here's these. Okay. Check this one out, guys. Here's this awesome 70 Dodge Hemi Challenger. Awesome. Gonna pick that one up. I'm gonna pass on this Project Speeder. Don't care for fancy castings. Here's another one. Already picked this one out. Cool. You pick another one of those. I already have it, but I only have one of them. I like to do customs on those. It's always fun to swap out the wheels or something. I already have a couple of these Ford Ranger Raptors. Don't need any more. Here's this cool Ducati Scrambler. I have these. This Raptor is very cool. I already have it. Let's see. So I've always passed on this one, guys. I don't know why. It looks pretty cool and everything, but I don't know, man. This is a maybe. I'm gonna leave it here for now. If I take it, it's gonna be because it's a real Asada model. That's the only reason why I'll take it, but not because I necessarily care for it. So here's this one. This one's really cool. I already have a couple of them, so I'll leave it here for somebody else. I already have all of these. Here's another carbonator. Here's a Ford F-150 Raptor. Very cool. A lot of repeats. I already have a lot of these castings, so again, guys, I'm just going really quick. It's a busy store, so I don't want to get beat to whatever cool cars they do have. Let's see. This one I already have, custom Ford Bronco. this one is supposed to be the super treasure hunt for this case, but unfortunately this one is not it. And check this out, guys. Looks like the holiday castings are already hitting, so I'm definitely going to pick this one up, the 2015 Dodge Charger Srt. Let's see. Cool, I already have that one. Check this out, guys. I don't know if this is supposed to be the chase or not, but I'm gonna pass on it. I don't like it. Check this out, guys. This cool 71 Porsche 911. This one I did not have. Gonna pick that one up for sure. Here's an avant-garde. I think I'm gonna pass on this one. Yeah, I already have all of these, so that's why I'm passing up on, guys. I'm gonna take another one of these. To have doubles of each one. Check this one out, guys. Very cool, the Ford Escort. Pick that one up for sure. This one I already have. Leave it behind for somebody else. Porsche. Let's see. I already picked this one up. Here. Here's another Dodge Charger Srt. There's another one over there. Oh, nice. The 66 Ford 427 Fairlane. Definitely gonna take that one. Pass on that one. Let's see here. Nice. Toyota Land Cruiser. Pretty cool. And this one I already have. It's a cool casting. This one I already have a couple of those. There's another Droka. Fair. Cool. Porsche. Nice. And let's see. Nice, guys. Regular treasure hunt. Nice. That one I did not have. Definitely gonna take that one. So let's see. Looks like they're having a mail-in. So the mail-in is the 65 Ford Galaxy. So definitely gonna take one of these. I'll worry about that later. So right now I just have to worry about picking up 20 cars. As fast as I can. to take another one of these. Alright guys, looks like that's going to be it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys take care. God bless. Catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.